Three triangles. The topic we're looking at triangles, but it's also circles. These topics are interconnected. So with circles, we're going to draw some circles on these triangles. We're going to do an inscribe, an escribe, and we're going to do a circumscribe. Alright, so to inscribe, what you would do is you bisect the two base angles. Remember to zoom in and pause. This is so y'all can see, fellas. Alright, so we're going to bisect two of the base angles, and you may have about 3 questions on this topic on the multiple choice paper. It is good for you to get a geometry set and actually do the construction so that you understand the steps that are needed. So I scribe small arcs to begin with, and now from each of the points that are made from the arc touching the triangle, we're going to make these new arcs. So as I said, we are bisecting two of the base angles, and once we have found this new point, we connect that over here, and then we do the same thing for this one. So where those meet, that should give us the center of a circle that should touch all 3 sides of our triangle. So even though this side goes out a little bit, that is the construction that we're looking for. You follow me so far with the inscribing? Scribe, you have the triangle. We're going to draw a circle that touches one side but also the bottom of the triangle, and also this line going over here to the top. So whenever we're ascribing, you come from the top, scribe, bottom here, we're going to scribe, open the compass a little more, come from where it touches, so we just made 2 new points, and then we just draw through those new points. So this point here is what we're going to use. This point should be able to touch the side of the triangle, the bottom, and the upper point, which is here. Now, CXC may show you a drawing of this construction, so you need to know what it is, right? Or they can ask you what is the correct procedure to ascribe a circle, and you have to know the difference between them. So to circumscribe, we want to find a point that is somewhere in the middle. So we're going to bisect the left side and bisect the right side. So this one is to circumscribe. This circle should touch all 3 points of the triangle. One of the reasons why it may not touch all 3 sides of the triangle is because some of the points may be slightly off. So over here, we're connecting this point to here, and then we're going to connect this point here over there. So now we have that center point. Open to one side, or 1 point, sorry. And this circle should pass through the 3 points. You understand the difference? So we have scribe, circumscribe. If you could zoom in here. So which of the following diagrams represents the drawing of a tangent to a circle at a point of the circumference? So this one is the correct answer with the tangent, but if you look here, there's an inscribe here, and this question can come for any of those. So you could stop that video.